Good morning, my name is Benedetta Ferrari, I'm an engineer from Centro ceramico. Today I'm here to assist to the correct installation of the glass mosaic tiles produced by Sicis according to the Sicis installation manual with Litokol products.
My name is Yuri Chiossi, I'm responsible for technical assistance in Litokol. So today I'm here to show you the right way to apply our products according to the Sicis installation manual. Just in case you need to level a surface on a concrete structure, we suggest the use of Litoplan Smart cement-based leveler, just to apply in 1 mm till to 25 mm. So after mixing with water, this is the consistency of the product. Using a smooth trowel, we apply to create the thickness we need. So when it starts to dry, after roughly 1 hour, we can smooth it using a sponge and water to make it completely flat. So the first coat must be diluted with 10% of water to fill the porosity of the cement, so it becomes like a primer. As you can see, the product becomes more fluid and ready to be applied by our roller. The product has to be applied directly on the cementitious surface, already dried, in a thin layer, just to feel the porosity of the cement. The product dries in 30 minutes. This is the first coat of the Aquamaster Evo already applied, so after 30 minutes we can apply the pure coat. As you can see, this is the density of the material. Using a roller with long peel, we have to apply leaving thickness. So we don't have to apply like a paint in this way. This is not correct because we don't leave any thickness. We need to leave material with the roll. We apply in a homogeneous way all over the surface, trying to respect the consumption in accordance to the substrate. After 4 hours, the products become like this, and so we can apply the second pure coat.
I have a question. The color of the Aquamaster here is white,
Yes.
but I see in the sample that the color was grey.
Gray, correct, because the old Aquamaster has a gray color, but now Aquamaster Evo is the evolution of the old one, and so we decided to change it and make it a sort of light gray.
The change of color can affect the properties of the product?
No, it's only an aesthetic effect. So we can apply the second pure coat in the same way, so leaving material to create thickness.
What is the correct thickness of the Aquamaster?
So after the application of the 3 coats, the dry thickness should be roughly 0.8 1 millimeter.
Okay, and how can I obtain this thickness?
So first of all, using the right equipment, so roller with long peels, and controlling the consumption. Everything is written on the data sheet, so depending on the substrate, we write how much kilo per square meter you need every layer.
The thickness isn't correct. Which are the effects?
So if we don't reach the right thickness, especially on swimming pool where you have pressure of water, we can have water infiltration, so the product is not anymore waterproofing. Lithoelastic is a 2-component epoxy product, so we have the liquid, is the hardener for the paste. There is a proportion between the 2 components, so we have to put all the liquid inside the bucket and mix it together. Okay, so this is the consistency of the product. For the application, we need the right trowel. This is a 3.5 millimeter trowel. Okay, now we have to push the mosaic just to be sure the adhesive is completely in contact with the back of the tiles, without leaving any voids under the tiles. When the adhesive has dried, we need to remove the paper using sponge and water. After a few minutes, you can remove the paper.
And this, what are you doing?
Now I'm cutting the adhesive, the white adhesive, in the joints, because sometimes when you push with the trowel, you can have adhesive coming out from the joints. And because now we have to grout, we don't want to see difference in color, so we have to remove it. This happens because when you push with the trowel, sometimes this is possible. So normally, to avoid this, people they don't press enough the mosaic because this requires time. So to avoid this waste of time, they don't push enough and they leave some voids on the mosaic. Okay. So Starlight Evo is a 2-component epoxy grout, so because we have even here the catalyst and the paste, we have to mix it together. We have a proportion using a drill. So this is the product after mixing. And we can apply directly to the mosaic using a rubber float. We have to remove the product from the tiles. And cleaning with the right equipment. So for cleaning an epoxy, we need a white pad and a lot of water. So we can put water on the top, doing the first cleaning, and the second cleaning with a squeezed sponge.